animatronic, a little cartoon lady. Let's start right about here. She's got a big wide head, Betty does, with a lot of curls. That's right, coming down like this. Just connect them all up like this. There we go. Down. And then let's round this off a bit here like that. This is looking nice. Round that off here like that. There we go. That's kind of the end of her hair right about there. And what we can do is draw some earrings here. There we go. Little loops we got right about here and there. Oh, I like it. There we go. And now what we can do is we're going to bring our face down here. And this is going to be the bottom of our face. That's her cheek. Alrighty. And then we can draw other cheek. Actually, stop right here. Right about there. Because we're going to go flat along. Just like that. Alright. And here will be Betty Boop's shoulder. Just like this. We're going to bring the arm down like that. There we go. And the other arm can come down here like this. And like that. Looking good, everybody. Now Betty's boop's got a bit of a mouth here. Almost like a heart for a mouth right about there. I like it. Cute little nose right about there. And she's got beautiful big eyes. There we go, right here. 1 and 2. Very nice, everybody. Beautiful big eyebrows. 1 there. Another eyebrow there. And then her hairline can come down here with more squiggly parts. This is the fun bit. There you go. Lots of little squiggly curls. And then important to curl up there. And bring that on down like that. It's got a bit of a part here. There we go. Squiggly curl. Bring that like that. Squiggly curl. All the way down. Right about here to her face. Lovely. Now some wonderful eyelashes. It's always nice for Betty Boop. There we go. Just like this. Very nice. Let's have her gazing up into the other side of the picture. So she'll be looking this way. Give her a little highlight there. Just like that. And we can even color that in if you like. Let's just color in those pupils so it looks good. Very nice, everybody. I'm liking it so far. Here we go. Let's bring the other arm down like this. Oh, I like it. A little bit of an elbow there. All right, and here's her chest right about here. There we go. Tummy down around there. We'll finish her chest off about here. All right, and then we can bring her back around here. And her bum comes up and around like that. Just like that. Little whoop-de-doo around there. And bring that on up to meet her arm. Oh, I like it. Now what we can do is give her some bracelets, because bracelets are fun. 1 there. Another bracelet right about here. And they can meet each other right there. Let's finish this arm up here like this. Very nice, everybody. And now what we can do is put our fingers from our hands down here like this. Do this one like that. Oh, I like it. Very good. And then what we're gonna do is have our knees come around like that. Right about there. There we go. Bring this leg right here. Sweet. It's got her shoes right about here. Just like this tiny, tiny feet she's got right there. Bring her other toe right about there and up. And then we can bring this leg all the way up like this. Very nice. Look, everybody, it's Betty Boop. All right, now what we're gonna do is draw a little funny heart right about here, just for fun. And then we're all done, and we can get to the color. Just adjusted for the color. Betty Boop has light skin, red dress, lips, shoes, and heart, gold earrings, bracelets, and garter, black hair, green eyes. Thanks, everyone.